find and edit employee data, there's many areas that allows us to perform this task. Let's use our handy space console. You can search in any one of these quick fields to narrow down the criteria in this list. Let's do a partial keyword search. Hit that edit button. Once you have the record you're interested in editing, and then make a save. And that's all it takes to make an edit. Let's revisit that again using the advanced search this time. Using the filtering capability, we can build a defined criteria to find employees, especially for the organizations that have a large amount of staff to manage. We can make this search about finding employees at a certain location and using a certain type of space. Optionally, you can save your search so you can find this query again. Once again, we've narrowed down the list of records. By clicking on the employee, we can also locate where they are as well. Speaking on location, we can also relocate them. Simply drag and drop. So this is another way to edit employee data based on an interactive approach. And it would be the preferred method. The process of doing this can be handled dynamically like so, or it can be pushed to a more strategic process such as a move project. Many clients also choose to integrate their data with an HR feed to lessen that burden of needing to duplicate any data on the employees. Now we're going to show you one more method to edit data, which is the bulk editing. To do a batch edit, simply run the Export Out tool. This allows us to modify the data using Excel. We can simply edit a field. We can do bulk editing within Excel. And then, of course, fill in some additional data in any of the fields. And last but not least, also having the option to add a new record. Once we're ready to import this data back in, we come back to this transfer screen and choose the Transfer In option. We go next, and we find our file. You see we have other options here, such as making a comparison to make sure that all the data is validated. We're going to proceed with this importing process, and that has brought in over 2,000 records into the system. And that is another way that the data can be modified.